Hey guys, welcome to Trending to Your Friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing you a product from IKEA, which is a knife. This knife is a most selling products, basically one of the most selling products in IKEA. They provide one small knife and one big knife in one packet. Let's keep this one aside. I have already made a video of this, but I'm keeping this aside right now. I'll tell you the usage of this later. So one big knife and one small knife, and the product name is FÖRDUBBLA, FORDUBBLA, FÖRDUBBLA. This is something different name, and this one I purchased it from IKEA store in India, and it is available across the globe. And the price that I paid for this knife is around 279 is the MRP, but I paid around 199 rupees, 200 rupees, which is approximately $3 in US currency, dollars. Okay. Now we will be unboxing this particular knife, and I will be showing you how capable this knife is to cut the items, and also we will see a quality check of this item as well. Okay, and also I will give you an additional tip how to sharpen the knife. Okay. To open this, you need to cut it from this side. This is the brand new knife from IKEA, a completely stainless steel, and the handle itself is made up of plastic, a solid plastic, and I would say it is not a knife for master chefs, but it is a knife for an household item. So if you want to be used as a household, you can definitely add this to your kitchen list. So this is one, and then we also get one more small knife, as I mentioned earlier. So this one, this seems quite thickness of both the items are almost similar. If you see, it is almost similar, no difference, but the sharpening capability of this knife will be little more compared to this, because it has an additional sharpening edge. If you see this edge, right, it has an edge, but this does not have an edge, but this has a very sharp edge, not like the one which we saw. Yeah, in terms of quality, guys, it is worth of the money that we pay for around 199 rupees that I paid to get this knife. So well, this is good for a household and cutting vegetables and all. I do have a banana with me. I have a banana, and I do have a plate as well. So let us quickly try to cut this banana using these two different knives. Okay, I'll cut this banana first into half using the first knife. If you see how quick it is, I didn't apply much pressure. Okay, so let me try to cut this piece as well. If you see, guys, it is perfect. I'm not applying pressure, I'm just scrolling it. Okay, this is very, 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 very helpful, guys. Okay, do not mess up with this knife. Okay, and let me try the other knife as well. If you want to cut this into smaller pieces, yeah, okay, let us try with the other knife. Okay, let me try with this one. Well, this works perfectly fine. This knife is mostly useful for whenever you are cutting your salad or something, but this will be helpful whenever you are cutting your vegetables for daily cooking basis. Okay, for everyday basis, for daily day-to-day basis, you can definitely opt for these two knives, guys. Comes with less than $3 and 100% worth the money that we pay. Next, coming to the next point, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, how to sharpen the knife. This aspect help you to sharpen your knife. You just need to open it. So opening is quite easy, guys. Behind you will see a knob here. If you're able to see, there is a knob placed over here. You need to press it to get this one open. Once it is open, you need to apply some water droplets on this hole, and then you can sharpen the knife. You need to close this, and then you need to put this on top, and then you need to scroll it from top to bottom. Very simple. I have already explained this on a different video. You can watch that as well. So guys, purchase link for this item as well as this item, both the items will be there on the description section. If you want to purchase, you can definitely go ahead and purchase the items. That's all as of now. Very good knife, for a budget friendly knife, for a household, for a household. If you are looking for a luxurious knife, that is different. If I get a chance to purchase that, I'll definitely show that to you as well. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and take care. Bye bye.